Class, we are already on to week 8. This week is unique in that we only have one topic. Some of you may be coming off of midterms. Some of you may need some time to polish up your website, your business, before we really push the marketing aspect. The week is designed to give you a moment in the middle of the semester to catch your breath and to get ready for weeks 9 through 13. Week 14 is a little slower, but weeks 9 through 13 are very involved. So the only topic this week is ads and ad groups. We're going to be rewriting and refining the ad you wrote for your Google Ads campaign. And that will be it. You'll have your discussion and reflection as usual. For this assignment, it's really about taking your current Google ad and rewriting, learning to write and rewrite that ad. And this is a skill that any effective marketer will use, is to take your current content and improve it and learn new principles, rewrite, make it more effective. The readings and the video here will walk you through what makes an effective ad, what makes an ineffective ad, and I hope that helps you consider some of the marketing principles that apply to this. As you'll see, there's a lot of content here. That is intentional, as for many of you, this is the first time you're writing an advertisement. And there are a lot of principles to follow. There's a lot of tips and tricks per se that will help you out. Once you've had time to go through these, take time to rewrite your ad, and then you'll copy and paste the ad you rewrote into a Word document. I hope you don't just take time to rewrite it once. You just have the one topic this week, and writing this ad and getting it right is key to your success with Google Ads. So take time to rewrite it a couple times, and then explain one concept or principle from the writing. Write successful text ads that you incorporated in your ad. Of all the content here, this article, Write Successful Text Ads, will be the most helpful, I believe. And that will be it. Again, the intent is to have a fairly straightforward week and help this class slow down a little bit in case you need some time for other classes, time to catch up on your website or business. I do like that this week is built into the course, and as I mentioned before, it gives everyone a deep breath before we jump into weeks 9 through 13, and I will invite each of you to be prepared for those, as it is a fast-paced end to the semester. Particularly week 13 will be very, very busy, and week 14 will be a little bit slower as we end the semester, and a time to share what you've made and see what your fellow classmates have made. Thanks everyone. If you'd like some help writing those ads or rewriting, let me know. I'd be happy to go through some of these principles and concepts with you. Thanks everyone.